Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Forever 21 customer service right from your smartphone. Whether you have a question about an order, need help with a product, or just want to give feedback, you might want to contact their customer service. It's a very simple process and we're going to guide you through it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on the browser, navigate to the Forever 21 website. After you are on the website, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this homepage of the Forever 21 website. Here you can see the three lines icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. In this menu, here you can see the help button. Tap on it. Now select customer service. Now you will be prompted to the help center page where you can see various options to contact their customer service. You can track your order status. You can contact them to return your products, or you can directly communicate with the customer service representative by selecting this option Contact Us. Tap on Contact Us. In this page, here you can see many options to connect with your customer service representative. You can chat with them, you can call them, or just submit your issue over here. That's it. That's how you can easily contact Forever 21 customer service right from your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.